social media has hypnotized using digital Vashikaran by unconsciously influencing the digital platforms and technologies exert on users, guiding their behavior, decisions, and even beliefs. As the digital landscape becomes more pervasive and sophisticated, concerns about digital hypnotism are on the rise, driven by the increasing use of algorithms, targeted content, and persuasive designed to capture and maintain users' attention. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Educating users about how digital platforms work and how they can be manipulated is crucial in helping them regain control over their online experiences. Developers and platforms should prioritize ethical design practices that prioritize user well being over engagement metrics. Governments or regulatory bodies need to ensure that digital platforms are transparent about their use of algorithms and targeted content and that they adhere to ethical standards. The key factors contributing to digital hypnotism are personalization algorithms. Digital platforms use algorithms to curate content tailored to individual preferences. While this can enhance user experience, it can also create echo chambers, reinforcing existing beliefs and limiting exposure to diverse viewpoints. This personalized content can lead to a state where users are subtly influenced without being fully aware of it. Social media influence. Social media platforms are designed to keep users engaged by using techniques like infinite scrolling, notifications, and the gamification of interactions like shares and comments. These features can be hypnotic, encouraging users to spend more time on the platform and, in turn, become more susceptible to the content they encounter. Targeted advertising. Advertisers leverage vast amounts of user data to create highly targeted ads that appeal to specific emotions, desires, and needs. This level of targeting can lead to what feels like personalized persuasion, making users more likely to make impulsive decisions or purchases. Deepfakes and misinformation. The rise of deepfake technology and sophisticated misinformation campaigns can create convincing false narratives that are difficult to distinguish from reality. This can manipulate public opinion and individual behavior in ways that are subtle yet powerful. Addictive design. Many apps and digital platforms are designed with features that exploit psychological triggers, such as the desire for social validation or fear of missing out, which is FOMO. These features can create compulsive behavior, leading users to engage more frequently and for longer periods. AI powered content creation. AI driven tools are increasingly capable of generating content that mimics human creativity and communication. While this can be useful, it also means that users might be exposed to content that is tailored to manipulate their emotions or decisions without their knowledge. Digital hypnotism or digital Vashikaran represents a growing challenge in the modern world where technology increasingly shapes our thoughts, behaviors, and decisions. Addressing this issue requires a concerted effort from users, developers, and regulators to ensure that digital environments remain tools for empowerment rather than manipulation. Let's look into today's headlines. Playlist transfer to YouTube Music is now available on Apple Music. Apple Music users will soon be able to move their playlists to YouTube Music. Users will be able to effortlessly transfer their carefully chosen music selections across the two well-known streaming services due to this new cross-platform capability. Playlists made individually or in groups can be moved from Apple Music to YouTube Music. Google's AI overviews for Hindi have drawn criticism for poor translations. The unreliability of Google's new Hindi AI overviews in India has sparked criticism. People notice problems with context and translations. For example, a search for sugar alternatives turned up nothing, while an inquiry regarding summertime cuisine had the word oily mistranslated as sticky. These differences draw attention to the difficulties in catering to linguistically heterogeneous markets like India. Airtel releases NCMC-enabled smartwatch with noise. An NCMC-compatible smartwatch with an inbuilt RuPay chip has been released by Airtel Payments Bank. Users of the smartwatch, which was created in association with Noise and NPCI, may make payments right from their wrist. It also has capabilities for tracking fitness and wellness. This launch follows Airtel's termination of the Wink Music service. CrowdStrike with NVIDIA to safeguard the advancement of generative AI. With the AI native CrowdStrike Falcon cybersecurity platform, CrowdStrike announced that it is offering further protection for NVIDIA NIM agent blueprints, enabling developers to safely utilize open source foundational models and accelerate generative AI innovation. Through the addition of NIM agent blueprint support, CrowdStrike is facilitating the safe and effective development of tailored generative AI applications by businesses utilizing the most recent open source fundamental models that come with NVIDIA NIM. Checkpoint Software plans to buy Cyberint. A formal agreement is signed by Checkpoint Software Technologies to purchase Cyberint Technologies Limited. This will expand Checkpoint's managed threat intelligence products and greatly improve its security operations center capabilities. Cyberint's cutting-edge capabilities will be made available as a managed service via Checkpoint Infinity Platform Services and incorporated into the Checkpoint Infinity Platform or collaborative threat prevention. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.